Red9SysTech. Today in this video we are going to look at one of the interesting topic in Java, which is abstract class and abstract methods. So what is this abstract class is all about, and what is this abstract method is all about? We are going to get in and out of all these abstract keywords in Java. So basically abstract is a keyword in Java which can be used at the method level or at the class level. So let's see what is an abstract method and what is an abstract class. So let's say I want to I want to declare a method in which I don't know that implementation. Then I can go for interface or abstract class. Let me start with an example where I will be explaining about abstract class. So let's say the way how I have to create an abstract class is nothing but with the keyword abstract. So abstract class, let's say vehicle, right? So this is an abstract class. So, and what does it mean? If I have abstract class, the method, the method which is inside this abstract class, at least there should be only one. At least there should be one abstract method. Okay, how I can define a method as abstract? Nothing but it is very simple. When I define a method, let's say void, let's say start off, right? And I don't want to define this method here, but I can just declare it with the help of abstract keyword. I can make this as a abstract method. Okay, so here this is the abstract method and this is the abstract class. So here if you guys see here, a class can set to be an abstract class when we define this class with the keyword abstract, and at the same time this class should contain at least one abstract method. Okay, an abstract class can have n number of concrete class, which is nothing but non-abstract methods or normal methods. Okay, so let's say I have a method called void driving. Okay, and then inside that I'm defining the data, right? Defining the implementation. Let's say sysout, I'm saying inside driving, right? So here if you guys see here, this is abstract class vehicle in which I have abstract method as well as non-abstract method. So if I can have one abstract method in a class, then definitely that class should be an abstract. Otherwise it is going to throw the compile time error. So now I have defined this one. Now I want to implement this particular abstract class, right? So here the start is a abstract method. The implementation has to be done at the implementation class. Okay, so let's say I have a class car which extends vehicle, right? So in this here, if you see the error, compile time error, I have to implement the unimplemented methods, which is nothing but start. So here I can define the method here. So sysout inside start, right? So this is the way I can able to implement this particular abstract method, and this is the way I can declare this abstract method. So now the car class contains the start method implemented here, and also the driving method by default it got implemented here. Now let me go and create an object for this class. So car c is equal to new car off, and c dot if you guys see here, I can able to get the driving, meaning that I am able to get it with the help of abstract class, and c dot start, right? Let me go and execute this. Okay, I can able to see this, right? Inside driving and inside start. Now let me go through this one. So what is an abstract method? A method is said to be an abstract if that method is having only declaration but there is no implementation. If you guys see here, I am saying this method is an abstract method because it is declared with a keyword abstract and there is no body or there is no implementation over here. It is just a declaration saying that there is a method called start, and that is why this particular method is called abstract method. And what is an abstract class? A class can be said to be an abstract class if it contains at least one abstract method. Since this particular vehicle class contains one abstract method at least, that is why we call it as abstract class, and that is why we declare this particular class vehicle as abstract keyword. And the rule is that it should have at least one abstract method, but it can have n number of concrete methods or normal methods, which means like this. So this is like implementation we define here, right, with the body, and this is called normal methods or concrete methods. There is nothing like a limitation for this. It can have n number of abstract or non-abstract methods. Okay, basically for the abstract methods which is inside the abstract class, the implementation can be done in our subclass. So when I say class car extends vehicle. So vehicle is the parent class and car is the child class, right? So in the child class only we are implementing the abstract methods, right? That is what it is. The start method we are implementing here. And then object can't be created. So basically we can't create an object for the abstract class. Instead, what we can do, we can create an class which we can extend the abstract class, and there we can able to implement all the abstract methods as well as non-abstract methods. And now the question is, when we should go for an abstract class, right? So basically there are some requirement, or there is a scenario in which when you are getting a requirement from the business user wherein you don't know exactly complete requirement, right? So when you don't know complete requirement, but there is a plan that this is something like we have to implement, right? In that case, it's better that you can go for abstract class, so that when you define the abstract class, you have a feasibility that you can declare both abstract methods as well as non-abstract methods. If you have a requirement ready, the implementation you can able to implement it when you start writing your code, then you can define it using non-abstract method. And for those methods, or for those logics which you don't know what is the implementation, then you can just define or declare it with the abstract method. So this is the way, when you have a partial requirement is ready, you can go for abstract class, wherein you can define your methods with your implementation ready. And if you don't know the implementation, just say declare the abstract method, in which you are telling like what to do, but you don't know how to do it, right? So these are all about abstract keyword in Java, where you can use abstract keyword in method as well as in the class level. So abstract methods or abstract class is very important. Basically this is something we use in our daily programming. Basically we should understand what is the difference between an interface and an abstract class, because interface looks similar to this, but there are a lot of changes, differences between abstract class and interface, and when we should go for interface and when we should go for abstract class, we are going to detailed explain in the next video. So I hope you guys understand this particular video. If you guys understand, or if you guys like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you guys have any questions regarding this concept, please post your comments in the comment section. And if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to it and also hit the notification button. I will see you in the next interesting video, guys. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.